Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing some amazing hacks to help you improve your soil before spring planting. A healthy garden starts with a solid foundation, which means having the right soil. So, let's jump right in and learn how to create the perfect growing environment for your plants. Point 1. Test your soil. First things first, it's essential to know your soil type and pH level. You can either purchase a soil test kit from your local garden center or send a sample to a professional lab. This information will help you decide which amendments to use for optimal plant growth. Point 2. Organic matter magic. One of the best ways to improve your soil is by adding organic matter. Compost, aged manure, and leaf mold all work wonders in enhancing soil structure, water retention, and nutrient content. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer over your garden beds and gently work it into the top few inches of soil. Point 3. Embrace earthworms. Earthworms are a gardener's best friend. These little critters aerate the soil, break down organic matter, and release valuable nutrients. Encourage earthworms in your garden by adding organic matter and avoiding harsh chemical fertilizers. Point 4. Go green with cover crops. Planting cover crops in the fall can significantly improve your soil for spring planting. These plants help prevent erosion, suppress weeds, and add nutrients to the soil when tilled under in the spring. Popular choices include clover, rye, and hairy vetch. Point 5. Balance pH with lime or sulfur. If your soil test reveals an imbalance in pH, don't worry. You can easily adjust it using lime or sulfur. Lime raises the pH, making acidic soil more alkaline, while sulfur lowers the pH, making alkaline soil more acidic. Apply these amendments as recommended based on your soil test results. Point 6. Keep it loose with aeration. Compacted soil makes it difficult for plant roots to grow and access water and nutrients. Before planting, loosen the soil with a garden fork or broad fork. This process, called aeration, helps create the ideal environment for roots to thrive. Point 7. Mulch Matters. Lastly, don't forget the power of mulch. Adding a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, like straw, wood chips, or pine needles, helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Plus, as the mulch breaks down, it adds valuable nutrients to your soil. And there you have it, folks. With these hacks in your gardening arsenal, your soil will be ready for a successful spring planting season. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more gardening inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!